Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer crypto to an external wallet address from crypto.com. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the accounts tab in the bottom, and after that you need to select the crypto wallet option. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see three different options in the top: buy, sell and transfer. Now as we want to transfer our crypto to an external wallet, you need to tap on the transfer button, and after that you need to select the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner. Then you need to tap on external wallet, and then you will be landed on this wallet address page. Now over here you need to tap on add wallet address, and then it will show you the list of all of the cryptocurrencies that are available on crypto.com. So you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to transfer. Let's say you want to transfer USDT, so you simply need to tap on USDT, and after that you need to select the network. Now over here you will be able to see ERC20, Kronos, Solana, and if you tap on this arrow button right next to it, then you will be able to see the Polygon network as well. So you just have to select the network that you want to choose in order to transfer your crypto. After that, you just have to launch that particular external wallet like your Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Azores wallet, etc. In that, you just have to select the same crypto that you have selected over here, and you need to select the same network that you have selected in crypto.com. Then you will be able to see a QR code as well as a deposit address in that wallet. So you just have to copy that address from there and paste it over here in this section. Then you just have to provide your wallet name. So whichever wallet you have used, let's say you have used MetaMask wallet, so you need to type that wallet in this section, and after that you just have to tap on the continue button in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to review each and every information that you have given in crypto.com app, and if everything is correct, you need to tap on the transfer button in the bottom in order to confirm your transfer. Then it will take some time to show your crypto in your external wallet address. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.